بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. ڈیئر سبسکرائبر السلام علیکم. انکم ٹیکس کے ایک اور امپورٹنٹ کوسچن کے ساتھ یہ ویڈیو بنا رہی ہوں میں. کوسچن ہے واٹ آر ڈفرینٹ میتھڈ آف اپیلنگ اگینسٹ این اسسمنٹ آرڈر. اس سے پہلے بھی میں نے انکم ٹیکس سے امپورٹنٹ کوسچن کے نوٹس کی ویڈیو بنائی ہے جس کی میں نے ایک پلے لسٹ بنائی ہے. اس کا لنک ڈسکرپشن باکس میں موجود ہے, وہاں سے دیکھ سکتے ہیں. اگر آپ کو ویڈیو اچھی لگے تو چینل کو لازمی سبسکرائب کیجیے گا. Whenever Commissioner in Land Revenue issue an assessment order or the taxpayer has a right to appeal against it, the department itself can appeal against the order. Before studying the method of appealing against an assessment order, one must know the hierarchy to follow for appeal. ہیرارچی کیا ہے؟ نظام جس کو بولتے ہیں کہ کمشنر لینڈ ریونیو کو اپیل کرنی ہے. اپیلیٹ ٹربیونل پہ وہ ہائی کورٹ میں جائے گا, پھر وہ سپریم کورٹ میں جائے گا. ریڈیو پروسیجر ٹو اپیل Commissioner in Land Revenue appeal. If a taxpayer is not satisfied with the assessment order and he has some objection or reservation regarding his assessment, he can appeal against it. However, one must keep in mind that appeal cannot be made on every issue. This issue must be appealable. Appealable order کون سی ہوگی؟ Each and every issue is not appealable. Before appealing, one must confirm that whether this issue is appealable or not. FBR has provided a list of those matters which are appealable. Some of them are as follow: amendment in assessment, penalty assessment on the best of commissioner judgment, refusal of refund, refusal to ratify an error, order to pay additional taxes. When to appeal? Appeal can be made within 30 days after receiving the appealable order. However, commissioner appeal is empowered to accept the appeal even after 30 days. The appeal is made in the prescribed form. Second ہے fee for appealing. Fee for appealing کے assessment 1000 ہے, other issue 1000 to C or 200 for others. Prepayment of tax before the start of case. Fee on which the application is agreeable to his return of income must be paid. Prescribed form ہونا چاہیے. Decision of income tax appeal. The commissioner appeal can make following decision: he may increase the amount of tax, he may decrease the amount of tax, he may fine assessment, he can impose or waive off any penalty, any other decision according to circumstances. Decision time: the commissioner should make decision is not more than 4 months from filing the cases. پھر ہے procedure to appeal appellate tribunal. If the applicant or a commissioner in land revenue is not satisfied with the decision of commissioner appeal, they can make a second appeal to appellate tribunal. The following method is to be followed when to appeal. The appeal must be made within 60 days after receiving the decision. Copy of commissioner appeal. However, appellate tribunal may accept the appeal even after 60 days. Fee for appealing. The fee for appealing appellate tribunal is 2000 for all cases. The applicant only pay for the fee if he present the application. Tax department is not required to pay this fee. Hearing of appeal. Appellate tribunal give due date to both parties to appear before the tribunal themselves or through their representative. Both parties must reach in the court on the date along with the document and evidence to support their point of view. Absence of any party. In case of absence of any party, the tribunal may dismiss the case, give away appropriate decision. Decision of appellate tribunal. Appellate tribunal may reject the appeal, increase or decrease amount of tax, ask CIT or commissioner appeal to further inquiry or any other suitable decision. Decision time: the appellate tribunal should decide about all the cases filed or on 1st July 2005 within 6 months. With reference to High Court, when to appeal? The appeal must be made within 90 days after receiving the decision. Copy of appellate tribunal. However, the High Court may accept the appeal even after 90 days. Approval of High Court. High Court reviews the case before deciding about its proceed. If High Court approves the case for hiring only, then it can be presented in High Court. Fee for appeal. The fee for appealing reference to High Court is only 100. Hearing of appeal. A bench of 2 judges of High Court is made for the purpose. After making the judgment, they inform appellate tribunal the both parties about the decision. Decision time: no decision time is mentioned in the High Court. تو یہ تھا کہ ہم اپیلیٹ ٹریبیونل یا کوئی بھی آپ کا ٹیکس کا ایشو ہے اس کے ریگارڈنگ اپیل کیسے کر سکتے ہیں. تو کمشنر لینڈ ریونیو کو اپیل کر سکتے ہیں. اگر وہ اس کا ڈیسیجن آپ کو نہیں منظور تو اپیلیٹ ٹریبیونل میں جائیں. اگر اپیلیٹ ٹریبیونل کا بھی آپ کو نہیں منظور تو ہائی کورٹ اور دین سپریم کورٹ میں جائیں. تھینک یو فار واچنگ. اپنا خیال رکھیے. اللہ حافظ.